Last bar na ako, don't call, just text.
Okay. Hindi ba tong LN 1 million?
Nagbigay din po ako sa grupo ni
Yun.
Jack.
So, nagbigay ka. Nakalagay dito itong L na to, I believe this is 1. Kasi yung MLN, million. So, 5 million. Itong isa, hindi L ito, 1. So, nakalagay, now we have to advance the 1 million, di ba?
Yes.
To Jack, so he can fly down to Davao to arrange your meeting with Pulong Asap. During the meeting, you personally turn over the 5 million. Di ba? Same manner, you likewise turn over the 1 million to Jack when we meet. So, nagbigay ka ng
Nagbigay po ako ng 1
kay